Today on Coach Channel, we're gonna be unboxing little snow forks with magnetic tiles. Let's get started. I'm supposed to line up. This is a book, and there's a book. And these are the things you can build.
Let's expect the castle. Not those castles, the one over there. Yeah, not those ones.
I was just wondering because you said you couldn't turn the knob.
Just gotta be pink. 2 hours.
First, it starts off. There's something like.
Not adding.
You need angles.
Like that.
No, that's over on this side. Where? No.
The joyous laughter. I need a vacuum over here.
Okay, we finished our tower. It's supposed to look like this, but it got messed up a little. Because the wall supposed to be right here. And this wall's supposed to be right here. But yeah, now time to go crazy.
Look at my house. I made it a tower house. Don't mind the 2 doors.
2 doors.
Look at my house. There's stairs, and then it opens up to the door, and up here it's windows. For here they're other little houses attached. Anyone tries to come in. And if they're not, bye. Bye. Thanks for watching.